Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be unboxing the Target Beauty Box. So I got my Target Beauty Box in the mail for the month of March, and if you don't know, this box is usually between $7 and $10, and it usually comes out about the 1st to the 3rd of every month. So let's get in. I'm always excited to get into this box because they always have great things in there, and it's always so reasonable. So the first thing is, it says March into Spring, and that is what the card looks like. And on the back, there's always usually a $3 to a $5 coupon in the back. They did change it up a little bit, and it is one of those that you scan in from your phone, but still, it still works. So it's still $3 off. So let's get into the stuff in the box. And the first thing I see is this Love Beauty and Planet, and this is the shampoo, and this is the conditioner, and this is an argan oil and lavender, and that is what it looks like. And these are really great sample sizes because you can get probably a week or two, maybe a week, but 2 weeks is pushing it. But still, like when we get like the little small packages, and when we get the small packages, you might get like one wash out of there and one condition, and you never know if you like it enough. So I've noticed with the sizes like this that it lets me really, you know, see if I like the product or not. So I'm very excited about that. And the next thing I see in the box is a Shea Moisturized Maca Green Tea and Probiotics Soothing Toner and Hydrating Mist, and that is what it looks like. And it says this 2-in-1 facial toner and hydrating mist with maca green tea, known to be rich in antioxidants and good for you probiotics, helps to soothe and restore balance to skin, take on the day with smooth and hydrating skin. So that is awesome. I just want to try this out. Oh my gosh, it just got me in the eyes. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. I love this. So that is amazing. I will definitely be using. Next thing I see is this Bliss Rose Gold Rescue Gentle Foaming Cleanser for sensitive skin. And that is what it looks like. I love getting cleansers. I love getting face care in my boxes. So, hey, this is awesome. So, and like I said, that's what it looks like. So that's a nice little bottle. You could probably get a week or two out of that, I would assume. And the next thing in the box is this Tresemme Sulfate-Free System Botanic Color Vibrance and Shine Intensive Hair Mask. And that is what it looks like. And I love getting hair masks. I have the worst hair. My hair's fried, and like, I swear whatever I do to it is never enough. So I'm looking forward to trying this and see if it helps, because you never know what's going to help and what's not going to help. So that is amazing. And the next thing I see is this Shea Moisture Sugar Cane Extract and Meadow Foam Seed Silicone Free Miracle Styler Leave-In Conditioner with Marshmallow Root, and that's what that looks like. And this is a big bottle. I mean, look at this. It's huge. I just want to see how it squirts out. And that's what it looks like that. And I'm just gonna see some of my hair, even though I have like a ton of product in my hair. But hey, I will take anything I can get. So that is all that's in the box. So like I said, we got the hair mask, the leave-in conditioner, the face cleanser. I'm really excited about this. The toner and hydrating mist spray. We have the shampoo and the conditioner, and my cats are just being horrible behind me. Oh my goodness. I'm so sorry about that. You cannot beat the price of this box for $7. And honestly, it's really only costing you $4 because they give you the coupon every single month. So I can't say anything bad about the Target Beauty Box. Every single month I've gotten it, I have absolutely loved it. And if you guys are wondering what I'm wearing on my eyes today, this is another palette that I got for the add-ons on my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. This is the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsession palette. It's so pretty. So, and that is what the palette looks like. I am wearing today, I have the white that I put all over my eyes. I have this brown as a transition color, and then I blended it in with this little pretty pink color. And then I end up cutting my crease, and I end up putting this really pretty pink in there too. It's like a shimmer shade. It's really, really pretty. and just added a little bit more white up here with a little bit highlighter and a little bit inside the corner of my eye. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys will subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you'll be notified every single time that I upload a new video. I hope you guys have a wonderful and a magical day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!